Hey guys, I'm back. And yeah, I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video, but I have a good reason. Yeah, I have been super busy. Oh my god. No! I think I had a nightmare. Yeah, but despite being too busy to upload any videos, I have had time to grind 3x3. So much so, in fact, that I just got my first ever sub 5 second 3x3 average. Yes! Oh my god, I'm insane. Now, this is obviously a huge moment for both me and speedcubing as a whole, but I figured that means I should spread the joy and tell you guys exactly how I got so fast so you can implement it in yourselves and maybe one day you can become as good as me. But one warning though, this is a very strict, tight routine, alright? I followed this day and night for 6 weeks, so if you're not prepared to do that, then maybe this video isn't for you. Alrighty? Let's begin to change your life. So obviously the first step to being sub 6 is you need to cut out every single mistake that you make in your solves. So to practice this, every time I make a mistake, no matter how small it is, I do 100 push-ups. U prime U. 100 push-ups. Pauses. 100 push-ups. Over inspection. 100 push-ups. And of course I need to be very focused, very calm, so before every single solve, I sit down and I do some meditation. And it can sort of mess with the flow of the solves a bit. Trust me when I say the benefits outweigh the costs. I mean, it's worth it. You'll be so calm and ready to get that sub 5 average. And obviously you can't be getting sub 5 Rubik's Cube solves with dainty little fingers, so make sure you get your hands ready and roughened up by doing some solves on the Lego cube. Oh, what? Or the color brick 3x3, rather. Ow! Oh! Oh, yeah! And you can't average sub 5 just by solving regular cubes all the time. I mean, you've got to keep your brain sharp by solving unusual cubes. Like the mirror cube. But because that's kind of hard, I've got the coloured mirror cube. What a beauty. Yay! That was so easy. I should have been using this coloured cube the whole time. And now that you've done all this preparation, you're finally able to get a sub 5 average. Just like this.